Hi guys, I'm Ali Cake and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw winged liner. If you would like to learn how to draw winged liner, please keep watching. Okay, so I'll zoom in for you guys. So I'm starting to the corner of my eye, well, to the end, and I'm just drawing a line going up. And yeah, just going up with the elf liquid liner. You can use any liner of your choice, but I prefer the elf one because the brush tiny. And yeah, I'm a brush girl. If you like felt tip, you can use that if you like. And now I'm going in, I'm making like a triangle and connecting it and just bringing it in. So I'm gonna attempt to fill it in, but I'm just gonna pull my eye a little bit and just finish the triangle. Yeah, so you're just going in and filling in the triangle, and I'm going to just continue to fill in the eye now, and then I'm bringing it in just a little. Hope you guys understand. But yeah, so I just bring it in a little, and yeah, so that's how I get my wing. It's simple and I guess easy. So this is the finished wing. This is how it came out, you know, just simple. And yeah, it's nothing really that hard. It's just, you know, yeah, that's how to practice. So I'm going in with the next eye now, and I'm doing the same thing, straight line and then connecting to make a triangle. And now I am filling it in. And now I'm going into the lid closer to the lashes and just lining it to make it a little more seamless. So yeah, that's the finished wings. I know they're not looking like symmetrical on camera, but in person they are symmetrical. And this is the finished wing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.